All right, give me a moment.
Now, they're talking about victim impact statements, and no doubt someone from Jorge Torres or George Torres, however you want to refer to him, as the court referred to him as George Torres, someone from his family, perhaps two members of his family, will testify on behalf of their family on how the murder of Jorge has affected them, how it's affected their lives. And at the same time, potentially Sarah Boone, I would think she'll probably talk too. She'll probably, she wanted this to be all about her. That's why I believe she took it to trial. She wanted her day in court, when the opposite was the smart thing to do, was to take the plea, take the manslaughter plea. The show will not be about you, but it's the smartest thing to do. So the prosecution, he said they're going to have some doctor come on. It's like, come on. Yeah. Is that, Mike, is there any chance of that could be a reason for an appeal, that they put this doctor on? They already had the trial. The trial's over. She was found guilty.
Yeah, I don't see how this is going to do any good. Look, she wanted her day in court. She got her day in court. Maybe she now, is regretting it. But I would imagine the judge set this for 1 hour. There's going to be probably two people reading impact statements. Probably maybe one of George's siblings, and maybe one of his children. And then she's going to have someone. I would imagine she would like to say something. Of course, she'll probably be given the chance to say something before the sentence is imposed. But she might want to speak for an extended period of time. But maybe not. But I think, just from what I've seen of her, I think she wants to have some sort of soliloquy, some monologue at the end, like a Hamlet kind of thing, like a Hamlet moment. We'll see. But it's not going to change anything. The judge is already going to have decided what the sentence is going to be, based on whatever discretion the law gives the judge for a murder case like this, where the person is a first-time convicted offender. She's not had 4 other robbery, convictions in the past, but he's going to have everything pretty much 99.9999% nailed down that morning before the sentence is imposed.
Mike, from what I understand in Florida law, she has to be given a sentence of 22 and a half to life. In New York, it would be 25 to life. I don't know why it's 22 and a half in Florida, but that's what she's going to be sentenced to. There's no doubt. And I think that's the harshest sentence he can give her also. Could he give her a softer sentence than that? He can't, on his own account, say, I'm going to downgrade this to manslaughter first degree. Could the judge do that?
No, not at this late trial. It's already been decided. It's what they call res judicata. The decision has already been made. If he wishes to give her the minimum, he can give her the minimum allowed by law. He won't be able to. There's no special circumstances where there could possibly be an avenue for her to get something less than that. If it's 22 and a half, then she might, get 22 and a half. That might be it. Because remember, she is a first-time offender in this kind of respect. So she might get 22 and a half years. I don't know how much good time they would be able to get for parole, that sort of thing. But I'm 99% sure it's going to be 22 and a half to life. It's going to be the sentence. And so she'll do 22 and a half.
She's served nearly 5 years already. So she's got 17 and a half or close to 18 years, because she's already served in jail. Now, folks, one of the different people always make this mistake. Jail is basically a holding pattern. You're not convicted. You serve time in jail awaiting trial, right? So she's already done, but that counts against your state prison sentence if, in fact, you get convicted. She got convicted. Now she doesn't go to jail. Now she is a ward of the state. In New York, they always say you're going upstate, because all the prisons are upstate New York. I don't know what they say in Florida. Oh, you're going to the orange groves, whatever they call it in Florida. But now you go to prison, because by law, once you're convicted of a felony, which says, the law states, a felony, you are eligible for more than 1 year in prison. So then you go to prison. So she's going to be sentenced most likely to 22 and a half to life. So she will serve that not in jail, but in prison. And that's where we frequently make mistakes on it. Folks, this is Police Off the Cuff Real Crime Stories. If you like real crime, true crime from a police perspective, you're in the right place. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the like button. Share us with your friends, your family, extended family, people that live in your condo. Share us. And if you want to contribute to us financially, we have a Patreon with 4 different levels, and we also have a YouTube channel membership with 5 different levels, and we're growing day by day, and we appreciate all of our family members in the YouTube channel membership who support this show. It's very, very important that you guys do that. We really appreciate it.